Nigerian constitution supersedes public opinion, no matter how weighty, says Chief Justice Ariwoola. Justice Ariwoola stated this in Abuja during the swearing-in of 23 newly appointed judges of the Federal High Court. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, CJN Justice Olukayode Ariwoola, has declared that the Nigerian Constitution supersedes all shades of public opinion, no matter how weighty. Justice Ariwoola stated this in Abuja during the swearing-in of 23 newly appointed judges of the Federal High Court. Now, according to him, the Constitution of the country serves as a guide for judges in the discharge of their duties. It was reported earlier that Justice Ariwoola, during the morning swearing-in of his son Olukayode Jr. and 22 others as new judges of the Federal High Court, stated this. Some of the judges sworn in on Wednesday at the Supreme Court, Abuja, are Deide Isaac from Ogun State, Ogundari Kehinde Olayiwola from Ekiti State, Abaje Olufumilola from Lagos State, Musa Kakaki from Kaduna State, Abdullahi Mohammed Danige from Sokoto State, and Sharon Tanko Ishaya from Kebbi State. The Chief Justice of Nigeria charged them to shun all forms of corruption and sentiments, and to ensure the application of the constitutional provisions in adjudicating cases assigned to them at all times. He reminded the newly sworn-in judges of the Federal High Court, as well as other 7 judges, to remember that the searchlight of the National Judicial Council (NJC) beams brightly on all of its officers across the country. According to a reporter, Ariwoola said several vitriolic attacks are regularly heaped on the judiciary, but that it is crystal clear that public opinion, no matter how serious or weighty it might be, cannot override or supersede the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, in which judges apply in deciding each case. The Chief Justice of Nigeria explained that judicial officers still owe their conscience and the generality of the Nigerians, particularly those who are looking up to them, the great responsibility of good moral rectitude and acceptable conduct to uphold and consolidate the trust reposed in them. Justice Ariwoola also told the newly appointed judges to be guided by truth and the law, as well as consider their appointment to the bench at this crucial period of our national history, Nigeria, as not being an accident but a divine ordination. By virtue of oath you have just taken, you have automatically assumed new status and responsibilities in life, Justice Ariwoola stated. A new blank page in the book of life has just been opened for you. And as it is with public office, especially the judiciary, you are completely opened to daily public scrutiny. The pen is right there in your hand to write whatever you desire to be the content of the new page that is now openly displayed in the public domain. Now, like I will always say, even though judicial officers are not spirits or superhuman beings, So many impossible things are yet expected from them by the society, Justice Orowollah further stated. He also reminded the new judges that the bench is neither for the indolent, the greedy, nor those with dubious character, who can easily fall for a plate of porridge offered by desperate litigants. He also asked them to at all times rise above temptations and trials that might obstruct or even halt their rise to the pinnacle of their career. We are all humans, no doubt, but you must display the humanism in you by doing those extraordinary things that people would ordinarily conclude that you as a person and as a judge cannot do. You have entered into a lifetime covenant with the Almighty God and to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Now, henceforth, whatever you do rightly will be counted to you and accordingly recorded in your favor, he further stated. The Chief Justice of Nigeria said to the newly appointed Federal High Court judges that your appointment to the bench is not an appointment to wealth, is not an appointment to vainglory, is not also an appointment to dishonest dispositions or ostentatious lifestyles through corrupt acquaintances. All eyes are watching. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Ariwoola, further congratulated the 23 newly appointed judges of the Federal High Court. With them is Justice Ariwoola's son, Olukayode Jr., and 22 others as new judges of the Federal High Court. Also, some of the judges with them are from Ogun State, from Ekiti State, from Lagos State, from Kaduna State, and from Sokoto and Kebbi, respectively. He in his speech has charged them to look strictly at the Constitution and not to play technicalities with the law, owing to the fact that millions of Nigerians are looking up to them.